Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something every driver should understand. Why does your car start consuming oil, and why does this happen more often in summer, even with brand new cars? Stick around, because I'm going to break it down in a way that actually makes sense. First up, what's the real role of engine oil? Most people think it just lubricates, but it's way more vital than that. Engine oil reduces friction between all those moving metal parts under the hood. It also helps cool down engine components, especially after combustion, and it protects from wear and internal damage. Bottom line, without good oil, your engine could wear out fast, or even fail completely. Now, why does oil consumption spike in hot weather? In summer, when temperatures soar and you're driving long distances or sitting in traffic, your engine gets hotter than usual. This extra heat actually makes your oil thinner, so it flows easier. But it also evaporates or burns off faster. Oil can slip past piston rings and end up in the combustion chamber, where it literally burns away. So, even if your engine's in great shape, you might notice oil levels dropping faster in the summer. But wait, why do even new cars use oil? Yep, even fresh off the lot cars, including luxury models, can burn some oil. That's because modern engines are built lighter and more fuel efficient, with really tight tolerances and thinner oils to meet emissions rules. Manufacturers even mention it in the owner's manual. Burning up to a liter every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers can be totally normal. Want to cut down on oil consumption? Here are my top 3 tips. Use high-quality oil with the right viscosity for your climate. Avoid overheating. Don't push your engine too hard when it's blazing hot out, and check your oil level regularly, especially before long trips. So, oil consumption isn't always a problem, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on, especially in summer or with high-performance cars. Got questions about your car? Drop them in the comments. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more mechanical tips every week. Thanks for watching.